What's up, everybody? High Rev 90, home mechanic. Ford Focus, Z-Tech, radiator repair from the top. Super easy. Pull the bumper, pull the headlights, pull the bumper, pull the cross member. You get all that clearance. I'm gonna make this a quickie. Don't even have to remove the fan. Just lower it down. You gotta unclip the O2 sensor from the shroud, fan shroud. Easy stuff. So much. It took me 10 minutes, 20 minutes with 2 beers. I drank 2 beers. Some bolts there. You got to get under the vehicle. Use your wobbles under here. Get under there. There's your for your bolts. There's total of 3. 1, 2. Yeah, there it is. Come on. There we go. Where are we at? Oh, there we go. There it is. 3 bolts on each side from the underneath. No jacks. Both wheels on the ground. Got my cardboard down, catching any coolant, towels. Look, both wheels on the ground, no jacks. Plenty of room. Condenser holding up with a bungee. Oil cooler resting on the lower support. Don't have to remove the lower support. You guys get the gist of it. If you own one of these vehicles, you know it. This is the Scar Audio O2 Focus wagon with the Scar Audio system. This thing is a trooper. If I didn't have all that sand in there, I'd show you what the cam looks like. I had to do the valve cover gasket a few weeks ago. Somehow the video went wrong with that. I don't know what happened. But change your oil. 5,000 miles max. I do mine almost every 2,500 and a filter every 5,000. This thing almost looks brand new. I'll try to upload photos if I can. 0 sludge, almost 0 varnish. Absolutely no sludge, none. The freaking, the shims, the cam shims are no cupping, nothing. When I do the timing belt at 200K, this one's going on 178K. I bought it at 83, runs exactly the same, sounds exactly the same. Change your oil, your fluids, coolant. Power steering every 50,000. Brake fluid every 50,000. You can push it to 75. That's up to you. I do mine every 50. No wheel cylinder leaks. No leaks. Man, change your fluids. Obviously, when you got to do repairs on coolant system, you're going to be getting new coolant in there. You can try to reuse the old coolant. It ain't worth it. I got 30,000, going on 30,000 miles on this coolant. I might as well change it. Ain't no coolant lasts 150,000 miles. That's a bunch of baloney. No way. Change it every 50. If you can go, change your coolant every 50. This is for the sound system. I got batteries in the back, so I pull the battery tray, make plenty of room, access. There's my circuit breaker for my big 3. And my that goes to the alternator. That goes to the back of the car with the batteries. So I pull the fuse, so I ain't got no power going to nothing. And so it totally isolates the batteries from the whole vehicle. If I left the fuse in there, then the vehicle would still be powered up. So I pull the fuse. I'm gonna put a circuit breaker, one of these. It's so much easier. This thing works killer. It's 150 amp. I think my sound system's 150 amp. Scar Audio, sounds unreal. Check out that video, Scar Audio. Scar Audio stereo install, O2 Focus wagon. Here it is. This car is a trooper. Change the trans fluid every 25,000 miles. Beautiful. California. I live in a nice area in California. It's killer. Look at this view. Unbelievable. Look at that. Check this out, mountains all over the place. Oh man, look at all these trees. It's just gorgeous. Look at this, bougainvillea. Anyway, do it how you want to do. You want to wrestle with going from the underside, changing the radiator, do whatever. For me, I did it from this side because after I did the condenser, I said, shucks, I'm gonna do the radiator the same way. And it's literally, I got more beer drinking time than I actually got working time on this car. I ain't even got an hour into it. It's gravy. Save you a whole bunch of bloody knuckles and freaking underneath the car. Ain't got a jack, nothing. Got plenty of clearance. Pull it from the top. Don't have to drop the bottom support. Z-Tech, 2-liter, 2002 Ford Focus. Some days I get 35 miles a gallon driving across the desert back and forth to Arizona on this bad boy. Not quite that. I got 34.3, I think, one day. But yeah, this thing's a trooper. Awesome car. These engines are insane. They just, guys turbo these things too. It's insane what these freaking things can do. And then you get the 2.3, the Duratec. Oh, those guys, bro. Power. Those things are nasty. Anyway, you guys take care. High Rev 90, home mechanic. Peace. Aloha.